Hi friends, let me show you these whiskey glasses that I received for reviewing purposes. They are really nice. First, you see the box is nice. It's a black box. You could use it as a really nice gift box for anybody who enjoys whiskey and likes this skull engraving. They come nicely packed. And when you get them out of the box, the first thing that you will notice is that they are really, well, they look strong. The glass is thick. They have this skull engraved in the bottom. Okay, so well, it looks nice. It looks funny, and they are aimed for whiskey drinking. Of course, you could use any kind of drink that you like, but they are well, they are whiskey style. So, as you can see, the drink looks great. The skull is there. I hope you see it. And whenever you take a sip, you will be looking at the well, the skull decoration there. So, well, if you like whiskey, if you have someone who likes whiskey and you want to make them a gift, this could be a great opportunity for all of you who enjoy a good drink in a nice glass with a very particular decoration. Thank you.